Okay, I'm going to start this video off by addressing the comments on video number 1. As far as, asking me if I went to college, what my qualifications are, so forth. So, did I go to college for finance? No. Do I have any degree? No. Why haven't I invested my own money? Because like millions of Americans, I'm still working paycheck to paycheck. As far as the unpaid phone bill, the one I had was still unpaid. However, I do have a working phone line now, which will be supplied at the end of this video after my 3 better deals. So, as far as my qualifications are similar to that of Mr. Warren Buffett, where he was also trained by an investment guru. And let's see, Buffett developed his own nearly infallible and highly profitable strategy for investing in well-run, undervalued companies. What I do is something a little bit similar, although I look for chart formations. And in this video, done a little bit more homework. The one thing I did take from Mr. Warren Buffett is his calculation of return on equity. Now, I've saved the best comment for last, which is, why should I pay $500 for your advice when I could go to a certified financial planner who has a degree and the ability to pay his own phone bill? Well, they're probably able to pay their own phone bill because whatever brokerage they're working for is paying it for them. If they're paying it by themselves, I'll be really surprised. Now, as far as certified financial planners having degrees, would it surprise you to know that any financial advisor doesn't have to have a degree before he or she can give out financial advice? It's true, and I'm about to prove it right now. Is this in focus? This is a Smart Money magazine, issue May 2008. Page 71, under a title, or under a paragraph called The Maverick. And I quote, "It's an easy business to get into because unlike lawyers, police officers, or medics, financial advisors don't have to take classes or get a degree before they can give investment advice. They just have to register with their local state securities commission and with the SEC once they manage more than $25 million. In fact, while investment knowledge is a big plus, a talent for sales is often more important. We're looking for people with relationship skills more than finance skills," says Manish Dave, the Director of Business Development at Ameriprise Financial. And to show you I'm not making it up, flip the screen around. Right, actually. I don't know if it's even getting it. Let's see. Hopefully you guys got all that. If not, go ahead and look it up on smartmoney.com. Alright. Am I still in focus? Okay. Alright. So, let's see. Okay. One change to my list of stocks from last time. Started off with 50, went as high as 112, and then after using Warren Buffett's technique, or calculating return on equity, I reduced that list to 22 stocks, the majority of which should have a return of at least 300%, if not more. And the ROE, my mistake, return on equity on all of them, ranging from 15 to 2,312.2. And seeing as how on the last comment, you were right about certified financial planners charging less. The ones who have a fee who charge by the hour, charge anywhere from $150 to $300. So I'm reducing the price of my list from $500 to $200. Now, in the last video, I said if you didn't have a 300% return that you get all your money back. I'm going to make a little amendment to that, and I will say if the majority of the stocks on the list don't appreciate by at least 300% by June of 2019, you will get 100% of your money back. For those of you who are new to investing, although you can open up a Scottrade brokerage account with as little as $500, I wouldn't recommend you open it up with anything less than $10,000 for allocation purposes. Let's see. Changes to the partnership on the Scottrade brokerage account. After adding up the list of stocks, you can buy 1,000 shares of each stock for approximately a little over $100,000. So, for those of you out there who have a minimum of $100,000 to, I would say, a maximum of, say, $1 million that you can tie up over the next 10 years, the split will remain the same of 70-30, your favor. However, I will only take my 30% on any stock whose annualized return comes to 30% or more. I will also reduce the $400,000 I was asking to $300,000 payable over 10 years. Okay. Alright, group discounts available. If you are of a group of 4 more investors who have a total of $1 million to invest, I'll be glad to charge each of you just $12,000 a year, so that being a total of $48,000 a year for doing the work and keeping track of the stocks, buying and selling, and looking for more stocks to buy in the process. Okay. So interested parties should call area code 520-544-0872. Thank you for watching.